In this video, I'll be using group policy to disable the first run page and default bookmarks for Firefox browser. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find my Windows Server setup, and also a video about installing policy templates to manage Firefox settings via group policy. And now I'll begin this video by going to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows Server environment. And here I will be creating my group policy. So I will go to Tools, Group Policy Management. I will right click on Group Policy Objects and select New. I will name the policy Firefox Settings. Then I will click on OK. I will expand Group Policy Objects, select the policy that I created. Then I will right click on it and select Edit. And I will be creating this policy for my computer, so I'll go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, Mozilla, and I will click on Firefox. And the first policy setting that I will be configuring is to remove the default bookmarks. So here I will search for no default bookmarks, and here we have the setting. I will click on it, I will enable this setting, click apply and OK, and this should remove the default Firefox bookmarks. Now the second setting is to remove the first run page, so I will click on override the first run page. I will enable this setting and I will click on apply. And as you can see, I'm leaving the URL here empty because I want to remove the first run page entirely. And you can enter the URL page here if you want to switch it to a different first run page, for example your company portal or whatever. Anyways, I will click OK. And that's basically it with this policy, so I'll close this window. Then I will go to Details, and for GPO status I will select User Configuration Settings Disabled, because currently this policy has only computer settings in it. And I will leave all other settings on default. Now after creating the group policy, we need to assign it to an organization unit that is holding the computers on which we want to deploy the settings. In my case, the organization unit will be this one. So I'll click and hold on the policy and then drag and drop it on the organization unit. Then I will click OK, and as you can see, the policy appeared in the list here and also in the list here. And before showing you how this policy works, I will go to my client 02 that doesn't have the policy settings applied yet. And also Firefox was never executed, and that means that I should get the default bookmarks and also the first run page. So you can see how it looks without the settings. And I will click on Firefox. Here we have the first run page. It's also called the welcome page. And also if I enable the bookmarks bar, you can see that we have the getting started bookmark right here. And this is how everything looks without the settings. Now I will go to my client 02, and before running Firefox, I will update my group policy. And for that I will go to Start menu, I will enter CMD, I will run it, and here I will type gp update, and I will press enter. And now let's wait a bit. And as you can see, the policy was updated successfully. So if I execute Firefox now, you can see that I'm not getting the welcome page, and also I don't have the default bookmarks in here. And that's basically it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.